What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad ke Sangma ula ai ke jingaro halor ke jingno Synniang jong ka balang Katolik ban kentiu ya ke pulih putih om tang ha kejela Henry ha kathan syate lami i bat ke rihi barok kawai. Ya ke niu Konrad ula penpau ha ke jingalang penhap perda ya ka jing rakhe Jubilee ksiar jong ke school Little Flower Higher Secondary School Mawbri Ribhoi District ha ka Shitarik Risau. Ha ka jingkren Menteri Rangba ula ai khuble ya ka school ka bala pendep ya ka jingai lenti ka basan post nem kenti ha ka jing ai jing syakri bat ka jing no Synniang jong ki nong penyat ki nong hikai ki kena school barim bat ka balang Catholic ha ka ba penwandur ya ki pateng jong ki kena school ha ka than bat ka jelahi barok away. Ula kedauru halor ke jing bay tengka jong ke sorkar ha ka baya day bat ke jing te ya ki jing school ki jing ya rap syaki school shimen bat ke jing persyang ban penklan ya ke jing kersyan na ke benta ki dong hikai. Konrad ula penmenaru ya ke jing ya rap ka ba arpusan lak tengka na ka Chief Minister's Special Development Fund syaka ni ka school na ke benta ki jing don kam jong ka school ha ka baya day bat ki jing te. MLA ke umroi uba daman bait lamare ha ke jingkren ula ai ke jingya ro ya ke ni ke school halor ke jingno Synniang jongka ha ke liang ka pule puthi bat ke jingkentiu ya ke kol shore jongka than ribhoi bat ula penshilor ro ya ki khna school bat kinong hikai ba kin yai biteng ban kentiu ya ka pule puthi ka babhatam ha ke ni ke jingya lang la pule ru ya ka memorandum of understanding MOU ha ka balapan pau ya ki jing tumu jong ka school ban penyar ya ki jing tei ban penrung ya ka jing pule science commerce bat arts bat ban ai ya ki jing hikai ki baye dei bat ki jing pule bat jing hikai ha ki kam ya lekai ka MOU kalapan ru ya ka jing kersyan na Menteri Rangba ka jala na ka benta ka jing rap pisa ban penurlong ya ka projek baye dei bat ki jing tei la penpu penping ya kini kesengi dah ka jing ya syem benta jong ki kena school haki program ki baye dei ber ka culture kumju ka jing kren na ki kena school barim ka jing ai khuble ya ki nong hikai bala shong thai bat ki kena school ki bawan syakman ka jing pelai ya ka thup sa jing kenmau bat ka jing pelai ya ka kot bala tho da ka doktor Mistilia dekha.
Steps to change and to improve the overall education sector. In the last 7 years, thousands of crores have been invested for the education sector, where government school buildings, government colleges, government higher secondary schools, almost 90% of them have either been renovated or been given new buildings. Large number of schools have been supported with funds, whether in the form of ad hoc grants or whether in the form of deficit grants, where Meghalaya may be one of the only states in the entire country, and especially in the northeast, where we provide direct grant and support to private schools. You will be surprised to know that in states like Nagaland, in states like Mizoram and other smaller states in the northeast, government do not provide any grant to private schools. Whereas in Meghalaya, we are providing grants to over 7,000 schools, amounting to 1,200 crores every year in terms of salary grant. This speaks volumes of the kind of support and commitment that we have towards education. Just this morning, one of the important meetings I had was with the Association of the Ad hoc School Teachers. As you know, They have been agitating for some time regarding their salaries. I met them today. I spent almost an hour and a half speaking to them. I understood their problems. I have always been very, very sympathetic and empathetic towards the concerns of the teachers. We have helped them in the past, but now we are working towards creating a much more stronger and a better mechanism to support the ad hoc teachers. I'm sure that with the decision that we took today, a very, very positive direction will be there for the ad hoc school teachers and also the other categories of teachers which fall under private schools but grant and aid being given by the government. We're working on a solution, and very soon the details of that will be out. But we had a very positive meeting, and I'm hopeful that with this decision we will actually see some sort of a permanent solution to the problem of ad hoc school teachers in our state. Having said that, I must appreciate the contribution that has been made by the Catholic Church, the missionaries, and also other churches and other denominations when it comes to education. We have always seen that our priests, our sisters, our brothers, and all those leaders of our faith have always dedicated themselves to the service of mankind. The education and the quality and the passion with which they have served the students, they have served the children, they have served the citizens of this region, of our state and of the country, is something that we must all appreciate. Therefore, I would like to especially give my sense of appreciation to the Catholic Church, the mission, all the fathers and sisters who have dedicated their life to our younger generation. It's been a very, very tough journey, but a very, very fulfilling and satisfying journey. Many people have played their part in the roles. In the past, the principals, the past teachers, the past members of the managing committee, the past pupils and the students. All of you have contributed to making Little Flower School what it is today. I take this opportunity to give my sense of appreciation to all the past teachers, the past pupils, the past principals, and all who have made Little Flower School what it is today. So I take this moment to thank all of you, and I wish Little Flower Higher Secondary School the very best for the future. And I hope that Almighty will continue to bless the school, bless the people working in the school, bless the students who are studying in the school, and all who are associated with this wonderful and this beautiful institution called Little Flower Higher Secondary School. I'm very happy also to announce that based on the memorandum that you've given to me, I cannot maybe give enough to be able to complete the project that you desire. But every long journey starts with a step. And I've always seen that when it comes to these kind of works and decisions, our fathers and our priests are one of the most efficient and best at ensuring that once they take a decision, they start the work. They know that God will bless them and God will bless us, and we will reach the destination that we have planned. But it must have the courage and the decision to start that journey. So I'm very happy today that the principal and our sister who announced this project about the new school building, I'm so happy that this decision has been taken. Father, I promise you that we will be with you and we will work together to see that this building is completed and we are fulfilling this particular desire and decision that you have taken. So to start the first step from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I'm happy to announce a fund of 25 lakh rupees to be donated by me for the starting of this building. I know it's not enough, but we will work together and we will ensure that we are able to successfully complete it.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.